Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates. Inside Story Uganda.
Let me read it for you. You say for me, Ninamutabali wanga akola mu parliament bamumanyi. Is a legal officer. He comes to me. Namugobe wange kati. Why? Ate akati nze bajja kulowola, no, you don't control my head. I cannot sell my intellectualism because of your job. That I sell my intellectualism. That when you butter my son, you kill one, I kill four. That's why I have maintained my head. Never in life. I protect my intellectualism. The only person I can defend is Museveni. Terimulala, moja peke yake. Terimulala, tobireta. Toleta tibajja kutta. Nze njagala nkusomere akatabo kano nkugamba. Olanya's failed the bid for speakership, which I wrote. Bagamba mbu abuwandiikira awo. Nkugambye kadde kano.
2016 July ennaku z'omwezi 22.
Amanya Museka said that fools, history does not repeat itself. It's only fools who repeat the mistakes fools made in the past. Therefore, at political science, a similar situation emerges with the different key players. Museveni can have problems with the Mengo, but is not there and the Mutesa is not there. A similar situation. Chenade nkugamba ali ekya dokete ansanyudde. Yagambi defense yakoze gyatwala mu ICC. Nti abantu bwe bamalanga okufa ne babadikiralinga dead. Kati balina system ekuzza n'omubulamu temporary. Nti brain etwala eddakiika 10 oba alina okufa. Kakati eri bali kudekera nze dead. Mbuje nakuzzaamu obulamu. Kitegeeza organ yakulanga muzaamufu. Is in charge of a department. He has prepared this evidence to the ICC, to the Bazungu. Where did he go to school? What type of evidence is this? Kakati nkugamba. The situation in the parliament deteriorated further by the election of the speaker and the deputy speaker. Olanya, on the other hand, generated confidence. He used his nuclear team to undermine Kadaga, pointing out that she could not manage the House, the 10th Parliament, because of the nature of his work. As Kadaga, was it a reason?
Olinga gamba eri personal simu to challenge the kuda. Is it personal?
These people want to capture all of the important institutions. One, Parliament is going to discuss important issues. Parliament is going to amend the law. But why do you fear referee? Watching my the speaker is useless. Why? Does the speaker bring emotions? Can the speaker block emotion? And in the Commonwealth countries, once you start 3 times and you fail the speaker fails to not see you, you stand up. You can even go to the speaker's office and say, this matter is crucial to my area. Allow me to contribute. That's why speakers come with written names. So how has the speaker failed you to do? That if your wife fails to conceive, you blame the mattress. When women are raped, what are they like?
Mr. Tamachicha tulabe ekiddako singa yakalambira
nkugamba nti etwandamaine Kadaga pointing out that she could not manage the house because of the nature of his work. He made another blunder, as he's doing now, by picking only the papers of the speaker. This meant that he was sure of victory. The NRM leadership also blundered by making no effort to stop them from tearing themselves apart. I pointed out that allowing the two to tear themselves apart undermined their future relationship if both of them bounced back into their respective positions. This is what has happened. Humanists are humanists. This is why many people think mbaganti abaganda bantu bazibu nnyo. Omuganda alimba naddala omwavu. They operate in deception. Omuganda ne bw'omuhumiliate nga akkiriza naye ng'obusungu bwakulina ku mutima. Bayina embibi ukola eki embibi. Embibi are entrenched hatred. Singa osanga abaganda nga balwana ne mukazi we. Tusanyusa okulaba seba, are they happy? They put on a smile. Are they happy? Onti bw'okyaddewo omuntu n'obalaba nga omusajja bw'aba muyita ebweru. What does it mean? Tewali sukali, tewali kyakulya iwe bade ne walk away. In spite of it, tusanyusa okulaba bakusanyukidde baleese eki. Kakati nze mbagamba nti you have to learn how to deal with the people. Kasaija moved in nkugamba. Matia Kasaija, I gave the example of Finance Minister Matia Kasaija, who simply intervened in the National Security Fund leadership wrangles where his head, Byarugaba, was fighting with his deputy Nassali. The actions demonstrated that the leadership, NRM leadership, had lost faith in Kadaga. The NRM father made another blunder by allowing the continuation of negative articles about Kadaga. By no muzebu kuba abantu mawulire. Bukede yankuba mawulire emyezi mukaaga. I will never forgive Bukede. Bayisenyera bamukebera omutwe. Programu ze zonna bazigyeko. Muhwezi yakyamusigaliza ku seta. Nitusisinkana ku mukolo. Nti you just make me omulambo. You make me omulambo and you make mabugo. And we smile. And you hit my son and we smile. I come here begging. This is not human. Go back and study psychology. The actions demonstrated that the leadership had lost faith. The president defended. Then lastly, the election was delayed, fueling more media battles. The president came out and said that he was not supporting any of the two candidates, but his clarification came on the heels of Kadaga's statement that he had the backing of the president. Kadaga provoked the president, and the president came out. The president defended his decision by saying that backing any of the two would divide the party. He wanted to avoid the mistake Moi made that Tony Kanu apart. Moi had brought Uhuru Kenyatta to sides. He did not leave the executive and the party to decide. There was conflict because he was protecting his personal interest and his trick worked. Kikuyus don't vote another Kikuyu. So Moi brought a novice Kikuyu would control, and the opposition brought a Kikuyu. It was Kadaga who had claimed Museveni's support. The statement indicated that Museveni was neutral, which undermined Olanya's team that was claiming president's support. If you are talking about sake assumption, and Chigoko comes out with a later clarification, what does it mean? Because I'm telling you, there are two formidable groups in this government. And if this matter is not handled properly, you are going to get UPC Buganda, UPC Syndicate, UPC Mfunguro. No, wait. Actually, by claiming that Kadaga had the backing of Museveni, when his her enemies were accusing her of fighting Museveni and the party, she was provoking Museveni to declare his stand over the matter. His statement, Museveni's statement, collected Kadaga more support because he appeared to be neutral. The Orania team that had accused Kadaga of this reality to the president and the party, because she deviated from the party position, would have lost. Probably waving a party as they are doing now. Does the party dictate where you have numbers? You dictate. Ugandans want credible institutions. Orania did not learn from the example of Stephen Kavuma, a loyalist. He lost to Katuleb. Why? Kavuma's name cannot even go to parliament for vetting. Ugandans want, in fact, me, I'm happy that this progressive wing, I'm closely working with, they want harmony in Uganda. This is a type for harmony. Akicho mkogamba. In fact, the country needs independent institutions, not rubber stamp or puppets. The reason for this, why Ugandans agitate and defend independent people, independent minority people, Ugandans have developed a strong feeling that a group within a government, a subterfuge, a group within a government has usurped the power of the president. Therefore, Ugandans now strongly believe, it is not Museveni, the president, who wants rubber stamp state institutions, Nankabirwa, but this group that Nankabirwa represents, and is a monetary thing. If I play the video, is good. One of the reasons we were president at playing a video. Kakati president is if I want to be ruled as more. Because I don't know an idiot. Can I take it to the president? Don't I have a chance to communicate with him? Kakati Nkugam. It is interesting that Olanya did not learn from the election of the Chief Justice, where Deputy Justice Kavuma, who had been in acting capacity as a deputy, a heartbeat away from the Chief Justice, lost to Katulele. Why? People want strong institutions. Ndisinga mubadde muina an independent maina de Chief Justice. No umusango tigwa for dogo. But what are you going to do? Any judgment that contradicts Kisache's judgment, baja kugamba babaguzi. Kati chichufu. Why? The type of Chief Justice is panicky. Does not take a decisions. Uwagbo mukazi gwe. Osome chiri control lenga tuli munana chisome wanonga. Mu meeting, baleta board meeting, mu press conference, the chairman has voluntarily retired. How? Baba ina internal mechanism. We know this woman is stubborn. What should we do? Allow this woman to read her document. Kakati nkugamba, it is interesting that Olanya did not learn from the election of the Chief Justice, where Deputy Justice Kavuma, who had been acting lost to Katulele because Kavuma was a loyalist. The Kataga team made another good strategy. They changed the NRM election rules without the party leadership realizing Kadaga's problems were blamed on her independence. In order to demonstrate this, opposition MPs, civil society, moved in, and each candidate, including Noranya, ended up wooing the opposition. This is why people like Cecily Ogwan, Maria Matem, and opposition figures joined the battle. These were not NRM members. They were not NRM members. Civil society. Civil society came in. This Museveni is known to respect public opinion. This is why Olanya lost to Kadaga. Well, you see, what many people don't know, there's a president Tachibabolanga. Tanda Kwiri, Erikiraka to the National Assembly, wrote a security rate. The moment you allow this girl to become a speaker, that's Museveni fear people. And yet, I'm moving. So, peddling this thing, I said, Olanya lost to Kadaga. In my book, Understanding Mafia Politics, published in 2012, I pointed out that the executive had lost to Parliament as far as the people's perception was concerned. I observed that Parliament had usurped the people, the powers of the executive. It is the Parliament in the driving seat of public affairs. It is Parliament that is censoring corrupt government officials, including powerful ministers. Parliament can handle people perceived to be very close to the president, like in the oil debate that shook the government. It is the Parliament that seeks accountability from government and questioning human rights violations. Parliament even handles wrangles in the markets where the responsible ministers, Parliament, Parliamentary rule is for legislation. But because when you start the UN, I did international relations. UN at 50 start. How do we popularize UN? Move from peacekeeping into combat. UN forces fight. They fight. Our soldiers are fighting in Somalia. UN created the International Court of Justice. Omuntu ajiwulire nti bakiwaji ne bwabeera ku gond naye aba agenze baba mu kakati nabano parliament bagipolarize anti the war of handling n'owakadaga obutwa n'awona ne mukwata omwana ne musala omutwe mukutwale mu parliament bakozesa miliyoni 10,000 eyo keesi yafa naye omwana tebalowooza ja nina international allies eyange tejja
kicho predicting ekigenda okuddako singa embeera esigalanga buli sawa
byatuusewa kankubuulire Kadaga cannot surrender herself to her enemies nti agende abamutulugunya bannankabi babakozesa tubamanyi kandi Kadaga surrender herself nti nze much as I respect the president could I report it to president's office nga tumwebaze yatudde nennakalimani bangoba nti gundi muŋŋambi I choose to abusing the first lady. Do you think a polite Muganda like me oyinza okuddayo baddayo n'omukuba kakati ebyo bano tebabibala they use simplistic gundi no the handling of the issue the primitive people abasoma gundi abasoma conflict resolution bakyonoonya let us see let nankabirwa atakagataga beyanako why if you left the matter to parliament these people to talk to the MPs but people don't fear people don't want Gund fighting the proxy wars that a man like him you come and give me money and what the million ways to voting Kitegeza what's the difference between a prostitute and a housewife money this one operates on money no kujoga abantu kubalowoleza mu sente when we have money we can humiliate you can humiliating people mugamba buli kakati kada goyo mu Uganda temuyina mu bantu by the international jobs it depends on how you handle if somebody had come to me now I want you to go and do a PhD that is such a future but you cannot subject me to negative publicity poisoning me attacking me to kill me I had it I'm a human being I had it but this no government gund ono ingini yabyandala mumutunzize byonna ninga babo center zo kuduka shiba manyedo akakasajja kati business kakubedito bali kalisa mukato aresi byandala nemba gamba nti byandala is innocent after 5 akatabonka yini killing a medical doctor to save a cobra tiumuloma yakikola kakati mumwe the handling of people abaganda bakugamba
ensonga yakwatiddwa
owe mukidde bunyolo nga atalidda Buganda all of these people you are humiliating a woman like this one on nasa tayina mwana n'abakola mu education emyaka 10 ne mumutwala mu Judicial Service Commission mu besent ne mu humiliating ne mu dragging mu court omusango tegutambula afunye omulimo gwe mu UNESCO musibye kesi yetetambula are you going to kill her abana bamwitaba manyi bwadda yekatanyumya mumuteke mu bagging amayumba g'abantu including ministers you will see the trouble you are going to face anga abantu gye bayina this is what yes no kwata Kivumbi mu judicial no mugandi Kivumbi yagula a toilet seat ya million 200 musiru oyo no fulumya no kwata byandala no kwata Lukwago no fulumya era nze mu basajja bagala Museveni manyi Lukwago yagandi tulina kye tuyita ekikere kyekweka let me go nze salibinze mu education nalize wange kwekolera but there are people who have brought up differently but he's seizing with the anger don't think that whenever you invite him on heresy functions he's a happy man no labambuga mungu all of these people when nalaba mama wambuga nze nali simanyi nnyo mbuga I was attracted to mbuga nga ku ambulance ezinya I came to visit him nga pikipiki emukubi era ne mugamba pikipiki eyo bagikuttemu badde baagala ofe Wajikutte mundagamba wajikutte mekezi tabana. Kakati wuyo nodira mirundi n'omubonyabonya program n'ozijja n'owandika ku YouTube n'owandika. When I go back I don't talk to my people. When I go back I went to the president's office yesterday and the woman told me naye ate naffe tutulabawo nemugamba look madam I'm not going to abuse you. Do you know why my family is torn apart? My mother survived the lynching for supporting Museveni. All of the publicity, the negative publicity I went through, abana bange gye bafugira gye bakola ekyo ku kyalo bayise nyina bamukebera mu mutwe. Do I become mad because somebody wants to steal 5 billion? So do you think if my family nyomba nabo bwenzira ye kababuuza basoma amawuli, what type of people are you working with? Kibaluma manga alumwa nnyo nti omwana nga abakoledde bw'atyo ne bamufunira ddala embwa ey'okuteeka kuli kyukereva bakuteeka kunyalako. No, we are human beings, we are entitled to emotions. What have I done to you? Ekikubye omwana nge mumutte kiki emisango gya mumwe mwajereetera. Mafia rules zikugamba nti mafia era nawulira chairman yakola yagamba we must ensure this man goes to his village and rots. Mr. Chairman, you are rotting. The fellowship you are heading is no more. You were pauper. May I have not sold the end of my properties. The other day we were in your place selling your cows because you cannot pay electricity bills. And so once somebody does something wrong, I go to my church. Ate traditional religion obutafa justice yam. Traditional religion if abajikiriza mutetuloga. They will not defend you. Nga goloza tingati batikomi abantu. Traditional religion you must be the innocent. Once you hang on to somebody, you earn her. Kadaga is now more popular than before. In fact, if you want to get public support, become a victim, not arrogant like others. You look at the Kenyan politicians. Ruto and Uhuru were indicted by RCC. What did they do? 2 things. They organized prayer rallies throughout Kenya, begging for God's intervention. Abasajja bakulu ne bafukamira, bapasa ne babasabira, basheke ne babasabira. Abantu bagamba, layira n'atuusa bannaabo, omwana wa Kenyatta n'amutuusa okufukamira. They gained sympathy. 2. Uhuru surrendered to the president, humbled himself, and went to Hague. And grilled before international cameras. She won the next election. Waliwo musajja musoma nnyo bamuyita Professor Tainason. Even if Uhuru and Ruto, you can bamuyita bamutu Professor Mutunga simanyi state of kakati tebaliyo. So the moment, why am I popular? Babuuza omwana bamwagasa ki? That's why they are avoiding programs. Babakuba ne babatta bagezezaako buli kintu kyonna bagezezaako okunzita. Bw'omanya omukisa gwe nnina okukwata abantu abagenda okunzita nga meeting esoose njiwulidde ne mbakwata ku video. Abasajja 5 baali bamaze n'okutuuka ewange nga bali wanneyiba balinda komande ne bakubira ne jamba. So myamwerako man. Yes. Zisalumba Museveni. That's why they say waliwo kwebafulumiza toka yingi n'obuswera nga bukagendya kemero katudde ne munne wako tekagamba but mirundi created me this problem. Munne namugamba no, it is not mirundi. Abajayira be watutte no balyako emitwalo 8 bavudde wajjeno wagenza okutuuka nga president abimanyi mukula namulaba ku byuma nga ali mu office jiwunyi banne bamunoonya tebamulaba. Kakati gwe kankubuuza. They brought to the Chinese, they brought to the Israelis, they brought to South Africans, they failed to locate where the machine is. Military intelligence deployed the people on me to move from place to place. Nebagamba mbumbeera ku watoto nga kono embwa yawe yegerera kakanga. Olo kankubulire. Obutabu bwange bwonna buliko. Amaka mwimbu wandiki. Kakati watoto ezeewodde. Nina amakeeka balaga.
Aba opposition beesowoddeyo nabo okwegatta ku Lukano. Era nga kutusinga omanya Ssemujju Nganda wa FDC. Aba opposition balina omukisa gwo.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. I always tell you that the moment you take a vote as people for granted, you lose. Nabaga ndebo mwesimbawo mu dividing a vote, to dividing you. Always the race is always a two-horse race. Nganda kaina budu was spoiling. Nganda who said Nganda wouldn't be in parliament. I want to tell you. Nganda is an extremist who wouldn't be in parliament in the first place. How can an MP say nti buli mujasi wa Uganda afire Somalia and Sale Nkoko baka playing? How can you be a speaker who is going to decide the money for the army? What a Kenya bayina chibaita hate speech muje mukirete wa bano bawuza inside independent. How can a man who gives you solutions inside people? It's okay what you don't want to hear. Nti bwe balete ekigoma ekyasiri abantu bagamba muche tompuliriza kigoma tompuliriza kigoma. This is the scared. We should not be exposed. Who are you? God has exposed you beyond borders. Nemo mulowoza mbawuli abonga bagamba Mirundi is inciting the president. Mirundi's activism is, do you think that any president would be happy to get 32 people indicted for killing and extorting organs? You have ashamed the president and the country. You should lie like an emperor. It's not me. It's your activities. Parliament, Museveni has raised the bar for the presidency. But when he had to say, but when about what did you want? If your wife was a prostitute and becomes a Moroccan, do you mind about the past? For us who want peace in this country, I told Bobby Wine, once you copy message, you are finished. Ugandans want to work. They involved in the private sector. Work to work at Akola. So if this young man has listened to people, Natale chaos mumu jerete mu jesente. We should praise I clap for Bobby Wine. Why? Because we have what we call okolokoka. Okolokoka is denouncing evil. In a political science we call it reinvention. You reinvent. Nti Museveni bwe yajja mu Uganda ali musajja mukambwe nnyo. Mwana muto wa myaka namu. Museveni yagamba ababasibe bebawanika kalaba balira kyemmere yange. He hanged them. Have you seen Museveni as matured hanging anybody? Have you seen Museveni hanging anybody? Although Museveni talks bad, yamuyisa bubi Amin. He fought to Amin on the very day. Omwana wa Amin alirudda. Omwali mu parliament omulala alirudda. Tali muyiso. Museveni azanye ne Nasuru nti olubuto lunene lulwadde. Moses Ali, mwenyete Moses Ali yajja wano yali Moses Ali yali mubinyi. At one time baali nalaba Moses Ali ngajja. Moses Ali yajja n'ennyonyi ekago plane Entebbe. Ne muvaamu Land Rovers n'abasekala bamukuuma n'agenda kuleka eviiki. Bwe yasinga na president yamugamba, you have killed. Moses Ali nga naye alina argument. Under the 1983 Triple Agreement, he should be vice president. I saw Moses Ali arrested. I saw Moses Ali nga talina saati nga bamutwala ku Impala ayimiridde ku pick up. Moses Ali after going to Luzira, he reformed. He's a very quiet man. Muhwezi went to Luzira, reformed. Very quiet. You cannot even understand that Muhwezi is there. They humbled themselves. Humble yourself. Me, I don't attack you and I retaliate, but I don't attack people. My question is to predict what you don't want to see. Kakati nkugamba nti there is no problem. Museveni has raised the issue of the president. Bobby Wine must reinvent himself. Ave mu bidongo afune image empya. President weyajiranga yambala kawunda. He turned into a statesman. Masuti until recent. Yes. Neto intagati chakulonda president. Ngakasati kakoma munalimu ali mu bidongo. Batu kanyunga akulalira. No. You must reinvent yourself and get a new image. You must even get new advisors and new friends.
Okusinzira ku statistics zituga abavuka ebasinga obungi.
No. Andi nkugambye abavubuka katuna international community. I want to tell you. Nti guide mu Australia, South Australia. Balonda omusajja eyali mukwano wa Hitler. international committee ebateeka ku sanctions. You must, that's what I tell you. When you are electing an election chairperson, mulonda ino Lungereza olusobola okumwogeza ku reception ya water nti amazzi tegaliyo agasobola okugenda mu bumeme kakati you are changing bumeme into something. The issue is not a name. Ne bw'onookyusa bumeme ng'obubbi bwe buli mugenda sirinya bumeme mwagijja ku bumeme ne mugituuma UEB ne mugituuma gundi obubbi muzunga nabwo omanye omukka omubi bw'ogufuuwa ogufuuyira eno naye ate empewo tegukuba walala. Katonda muzibu mathematician. Gasi w'emmotoka ekisozi ya mmotoka ekuba mabega eno avuga mundabirwamu mu maaso talaba gyakuba naye ate Katonda ye bwe yakola ekizozi ye ate bw'ofuuwa ate gudde eno n'oguwunyira omukka gwammwe mujja kutambula obusuma bwammwe arogansi yammwe n'okwagala okushumiriyetinga abantu azirongazi nga mutambula nabwo bujja kusigala nga bubawunyira. And lastly, government cannot win a war against anybody. Why? You have overdone it. Mbabazi mubi, Kayibula mubi, Besigye mubi, Mirundi mutamivu, Nekadaga mubi. Kakati, how will you end? You've lost the battle. Even the criminals. Kakati Bukedi yakubanga kitata. Does Kitata have soldiers? Why is it that the public does not pounce on him? They knew that Kitata was a victim. Bwamala okujoganga bafuna Sphinx, kita Sphinx. Tukita jirikiti kwa basule mbobonga badu. Kati ya overdone it, the public has discovered nti mwete musima buli abakolera asante ya punda ni mateke. Asante ya punda ni mateke.
Atema ensongezi mukwezi zigenze maso mu ggwanga era nkimanyi mugobera nyuma bale mwenna abadde batweyunzeeko